Hello everyone, this is a weekly forecast video for the Money Square YouTube channel and for the Money Square community. I suggest you to watch this video at 1.5x speed because I talk a bit slow in English and you can save time while doing that. We go on the monthly chart, we can see that on the monthly we created a support here. On the next 2 days we're gonna close on this candle here. We break two previous monthly highs, so we are on a possible switch of a trend, but still we didn't have taken the previous support or the previous demand areas of price. We need to take that one to confirm the trend changing. On a weekly time frame we can see that we were doing this lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we formed a double bottom and then we broke the previous lower high and this resistance here with this huge candle. Now we can anticipate and previous week we found support here. Let's go ahead and clean all the drawings. We found support here, we confirmed support here with previous week, coming back and closing above bullish. This week already made a lower wick and broke the previous week's high, so possibly we can see this area to be being retested, or at least these highs here this week fills. On a daily time frame, if we go, this was our support level here, holding very good. Also this support level, we didn't break even previous daily lows, and then we just came back, made retracement, and then start flipping bullish. So we have a clean traffic till 1780, which is a good level to retest during this week, and then also on the weekly time frame we will retest this whole new high made. So let's go to the 4 hour and let's check the levels on the 4 hour that we need to take out to make that retest. So this is the area where we are, very critical area, I would say. 1765, 1766, 1765. This level is very important because this is a demand zone. Like we can see, after this high made, we came back, found a bit of support, broke above, came back, retested, and then moved down. And then we formed a double bottom. We moved up, we found support on the possible previous resistance, and now we're retesting this key level here. We need to take out this level with a candle like this, something like this, to confirm our move further up. Unless we do that one, we cannot take buys. So buys above here with confirmation in 4 hour time frame. Next support is here. Previous support is here, so we can also come reject this area, close bearish, broke the low of the previous candle, and come back, retest this, correct this whole move that we made. This is our next support if in case we break this one, and as you can see 170.80 is a very good area of interest for us, and we have this clean, it's actually for a 4 hour time frame, it's very clean traffic. Just like here you can see that whenever we have clean traffic we tend to mirror that move, so we can also possibly see here to mirror that move, or here we have a clean traffic. Even though this is consolidation, it can this whole box is a consolidation zone here, but since we have this clean traffic here, we can anticipate with a broke here, we can come back and retest this low, but may not happen just directly. Price may do fake out, so we need to be very aware here of this support. If we break the support for fake outs, like break, close above, break again, and break the lows, and then we can start trending. Not just if without closing or anything, just enter the trades, because you can see here, for example, came back, then came back again, like above. So it's not very, we need to be cautious about that. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is not, yeah, we rejected this area already. So the first 3 minutes we move down, we need to probably make a wick up. And then if we close bearish, we will try to check on break of this 1 hour low with volume at New York, pre-New York, which is in New York open is in 2 hours, in pre-New York open next hour, next 2 hours we look for sells for this clean traffic. Otherwise we need to wait for break above this level and above 1770 to take buys. But as you can see in the 1 hour time frame, this is not very clean here, so yeah, we should also be very cautious about that. Personally, I would like this trading plan to play out where we reject the high like this. For example, price made a high just like here, closed bearish, 2 candle closure bearish. Once we break the low of the candle, we move down till to correct this whole move, and possibly even this doesn't mean that price then will just keep going down. We come back here, we can correct the move till here, find some support, retest this high again, and possibly take these highs with volume in New York. I don't think New York, possibly sometimes prices moves in New York Stock Exchange open, or we have seen price move later in the day, or today we can just correct this move and then tomorrow we take out this move to the upside and break this level here. Because I don't think we will just smash through this level unless we have some news which we can go and check. No, we don't have anything today. Tomorrow we have CAD, GBP, USD a bit in the afternoon. We'll see, but I don't think without news we can just smash through this level, because it's as we saw it on the 4 hour, it's a high demand zone area where price found support, resistance, so it's not very feasible for me to see to just smash through this, especially after this whole move today, which was around 160 pip already. But anyways, we will check and adjust the markets. So this is what I'm looking for at the moment here. Rejection of this high, which is a risky setup, so only half risk on this. Let's go to GBPJPY quickly from a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame possibly is gonna close bearish. In weekly time frame, previous week closed bullish, but we have this low here. If we break this low, it's not gonna be good for GBPJPY. If we don't break this low, we can see moving up a bit and then closing a weak bearish candle, and then possibly next month to take also these level here. But in GBPJPY, this level is very critical. We need to break this level to further move up. We have a very good clean traffic area here, which we can easily mirror. Sorry about that. And let's go on the daily time frame. Check on the daily. Yes, on the daily we have some resistance. We didn't even take these. We didn't take these highs yet. We just found. We came back, we were forming higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we create a new lower low, a new lower low, lower high, a new lower low. So now, unless we break this high here, previous lower high, I would not look for buys. But as you can see on this daily, we already broke this support, and we can possibly check where the next support area is, and we can possibly even come back and retest this previous lower low and close in the next 2-3 days, close strong bearish, and then next month just make a wick coming back again to this region possibly, and then just move through to the next demand area unless something big happens in the decisions. So we broke through this demand area here. We can come back, retest this. So we made a new low. After this high here, we create equal low, lower high, lower low. Now we have this support here, which is very significant, as you can see. He came back, found support. He came back here, broke, found support. Now we're retesting at this support. We can hold this support, come back here, find somewhere resistance, confirming resistance and taking sells. This is one of the trading plans that I'm looking for in GJ. Something like this, where price makes a new low, which is this new low here, comes back, finds resistance, usually it's previous support, and then retests this low. So at the moment we have this new low here, we have previous resistance at this level, we can confirm some resistance here, we wait for confirmation. It can happen here, it can happen here, it can happen here, but here it's not feasible to take because this is very small range. We hope that price at least comes till here with on New York, and then we take this sells to retest the low here and come again to this level again, to this support level. So this is what I'm looking for GJ for today. However, if we break this level, we can go through and test this new demand area here. This zone here, we can tap on this zone on GJ. So we have this is usually a fake out, but we can mirror this here also. Let's check the range on this. It's like 83 pips, so it's a good range. We can take advantage of this range. Yeah, and in 1 hour, as you can see, is a good area here. So yeah, we can definitely, but we'll see. We'll already seeing some weakness in price and some strong support here. Strong key level 166 here, 166, 166.3. So we can potentially see some resistance, some relief or correction move coming up, and then we will take those retest the low sells. On 30-minute time frame, we have this level here, we have this level here, which we are in this range now, about 60 pips range. If we break above this, we have this clean traffic here, which will also find the resistance on the 4-hour time frame to come back, retest the low. We can also take advantage of this whole area here of 80 pips. We can possibly take a trade, so we will set an alarm here. And yeah, that's about it for gold and GJ. Thank you for watching. I wish you a safe trading week, and I see you guys on the daily roundup.